Discover the power of nature with Jamaica Health Box's turkey berry extract. This potent extract, derived from the revered turkey berry, is your natural ally in maintaining healthy blood sugar and bolstering your immune defenses. Science reveals turkey berry's remarkable benefits. It helps regulate blood sugar levels thanks to compounds that mimic insulin's action. Rich in antioxidants, it combats cell damage, and it strengthens your immune system, empowering your body's natural defenses. The magic lies in turkey berry's unique composition. Alkaloids contribute to its anti-diabetic properties. Flavonoids act as potent antioxidants, fighting free radicals, and saponins support a healthy immune response, a powerful combination for your well-being. Why choose turkey berry extract from Jamaica Health Box? Because you deserve a natural, time-tested solution. Our extract is carefully sourced and processed to retain its full potency, offering you a pure and effective path to wellness, a choice for a healthier you. Ready to experience the benefits of turkey berry extract? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and place your order, or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Take control of your health naturally with Jamaica Health Box.